Hello guys, this is my dad's parents' Kirby G6 2000 limited edition vacuum cleaner. This is very old, but it runs really well. So let's take a look at this. So the headlight in this unfortunately does not work. It does need to be replaced. It's burnt out, but it's a very nice vacuum. It's a bit loud for its build, but it is very nice. It's got Micron Magic HEPA filtration, bagged obviously. Of course, there's the height adjustment right here. It of course has the tech drive, this switch down here. Sorry about the lighting, my phone doesn't pick up lighting that well. There we go. It is in drive, neutral. The cord on these things are pretty long. It's actually a very long cord. I don't know the exact amount of feet these usually have, but this thing is heavy. It is, of course, 2000. That was upside down. So they also got new carpet. I'm in the den right now. So, yeah. This, of course, is their I always don't know what to say, and I'm not good at editing, so I'm not able to cut this out. But there's turn the belt on and off here. So there's the fan. I don't know if it's plastic or metal. It's not very bright, but there it is. If I can get this on correctly. If I can do it one-handed. There we go. The attachments are in this closet right here. It's not that bright in here either, but some of them are missing though. They're right there. Sorry if it's too dark. Here's the hose. Well, without blabbing on about how well built this is, let's see it and let's take a look at it in action. Sorry about this, I don't like to have cords tangled. Sorry about I'm not good with a camera most of the time. Alright, let's plug it in and test it out. Alrighty, here we go. I'm not that good with a camera. I'm sorry. Let me get another couple other lights on. Brightness of LED lights right there. Flickering. But yeah. Now we're going to put this into hard floor mode. Now basically what putting that into hard floor mode is simply just turn off the belt. Alright, now let's vacuum the dining room floor here. I think I have an idea. But I think I'll probably show it in a different video. Oh well. And that is the Kirby G6 2000 limited edition. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.